Today we are going to start with ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate AI content and how to create a video for it, or how to create Instagram slide for it. So create slide for your Instagram or your Facebook page. You can also use it on TikTok and many other platforms like that to grow your business online. So today let's dive into the study. Like I have my Instagram, I have my blog, Tech Boss Media now. So you can see this post now. I just generated within a second and it has started having likes. So now I wrote the top 5 paper game that actually pay in 2023. You can see the slide, you can see it, you can see all these things. Oh, all this content, I don't have it on my head. I generated with AI. So when I go to chatgpt.com, let's see what ChatGPT did for us, did for me here. I'm going to ChatGPT now to do it. Let's see what happened. So me, I just told ChatGPT to generate a write five paper game paying apps for 2023 for 2023 for 2023. So this is it for 2023. I will now tell ChatGPT that write it. I want to use it for, I want to use it for Instagram slide. So please write short quotes about each apps. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us within a seconds. So we can see it now. We can see what ChatGPT are generating for us within a seconds. So we can see it now. So we can see now we have our content now. So what we're going to do now is to copy our content into our Word document or put it in our WhatsApp. So I'm using laptop. In case you are using a phone and you have ChatGPT app on your phone, you just copy the document and save it on your document. You can use WPS on your phone to save it, or you copy to your WhatsApp. So now I'm opening my document now. I'm going to copy it and paste it here. So now click on new documents, click on new, I'll paste it here. I'll just copy it, I'll just paste it here, paste it now. So this is what ChatGPT generates for us, and we want to use it for a social media post. So I'm going to show you what I did on Canva. Well, now I create a slide. I'm going to open it now and show you. So we are going to go to canva.com. We are going to go to canva.com. I'll click enter and it will load within a seconds. That is canva.com. So that is where I generate my Instagram slide. All these posts I'm posting on Instagram, that is where I generate it. So, and that's what I'm going to show you here today, so that you can monitor your social media. You can be posting regularly as expected by Instagram. You can post Instagram reel, you can create video and all those things. So there's another platform I'm going to show today on this platform, on this tutorial that I'm going to show to you. Oh, ChatGPT Canva is slow down now. So it's loading now. So this is canva.com.ng. Oh, I don't know why their server is slow. My network is fill up. I don't know why Canva is slowly loading. Now this is Canva. You can see it now. This is Canva. I'm using a free account. That's why I was showing this red color line there. So now we are going to search for Instagram slide, for instance. Okay, let me show you the project I did, the one I did. So this is what I did the other time. I can also do this by yourself within a quick of seconds. You can do it by yourself. So this is what I did. So you can check part of my tutorial on this YouTube channel on how to create Instagram slide, or how to use Instagram post, how to use Canva for your Instagram post. So you can see now all this write up I generated on Canva. So that is it. You can change your color. I decided I want to change this color. You can see I'm changing to blue. You can see it now. I decided I want to change the text. Let me say five best loan app in 2023. So it depends on what you want to write and what you want to, in the information you want to give your audience, the information you want to give your followers. So these are it. You just create your content, you click the arrow, you can search for arrow for them to swim to the left to keep following your content. Because if you are creating Instagram slide, you need to create like 5, you need to create like 6, so that they keep on sliding. until you now click on the last chapter of your post, where you tell them to follow your post, to follow your page. So you first of all give them information what they need first before you now tell them to follow you. So if you just write follow me, follow my page on the front page, they don't know what they want to follow, they don't know why they are following you. But first of all, give them information that they need. So now I've given you the information that I need. Now the last bit I say, will you try this, will you give this a try? Follow us more for more, and leave a comment below. So if they want to comment, we can easily attend to their comment. Now another website that is a very funny AI that we have is Lumen5. I have Lumen5. I'll be using Lumen to create a video. So let me search for lumen5.com. Lumen5. I'll click on my video. So Lumen5 is an AI platform where you can create a video with your text. You can create a video with any of your write-up that you generate with ChatGPT or any other. Even if you type it by yourself, you can easily create a video. You can use the video on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. You can use it on your TikTok. You can use it on your Facebook. You can use it on your Instagram or anywhere. So now, for instance, this is one of the video that I created. So let me open it now and see what is going to happen. I can show you part of it on my Instagram now. Let's see, like this video. Okay, let me show you on my business Instagram. I've created many videos with Lumen5. So I'm going to show you now. Hey guys, sorry, this is the video. The network was slowed down a little bit, so that was why I was cut off. For instance, I want to show you part of the video I created with Lumen5. Let's see this one. Let's see what happened on this video now. Let's see. I will turn on the sound and play it out. So all these videos that I'm showing here, I created them with Lumen5, and it's very funny. It's a good platform where I generate a video within a second. And today, all this right up here, I generated ChatGPT and I carry it to Lumen. I told Lumen to create a video for me. So this is another one too. So you can change it to any part of the media. You can change the pictures, you can change the write-up, you can edit it and do many of it. So I want you guys to try it out today and comment on the comment section that I've tried out. Try and upload the video and share the link to the comment section. I want to see the video that you have created. So you can create any write-up with ChatGPT, convert it to video. Even I can also show you how to convert it to speech if you want your video to be talking. So let me show you instead of the music on the background. So let me show you how to convert the website that you can use to convert your write-up to text or to audio for free. So this is ttsmaker.com. This is where you can convert your text to speech within a seconds. So this is the website, and you can see I've converted many of my text to speech. So let me try this one again. So happen. So I'm a pastor. You can see my write-up here that I'm using on one of my freelancer platform. So now 2573. So it will convert it to text within a minute, and I've dropped a video on this tutorial. There's a video that talks about it. So let's
welcome to my gigs.
So you can see it now.
I'm Pastor Adebayo Biden Johnson, a dedicated house care leader and seasoned Bible study teacher with diverse experience spanning various student backgrounds, ages, and Bible comprehension levels. For a decade, I've crafted faith-based articles and books, guided by the Holy Spirit.
So if you want to create a video and you want it to be talking on Lumen5, you can easily do it here. Even on Canva, you can do it there. So watch my tutorial on my channel. You see how to create convert text to video within a second, and you can apply it on Lumen5. You can see record the voiceover, you can upload, you can add music and all those stuff on this Lumen5. Alright, you guys, I want you to try it out and give me a thumb up, like the video, click on the bell icon, and make sure you subscribe to this video. If you have any issue or any challenge, please chat us on WhatsApp. You can see our WhatsApp link on our channel bell, on our channel banner. Click on it and chat us on WhatsApp. Connect with us to join our community group. If you're having any issue on posting or downloading your file on Canva, once you have designed on Canva on your system, you click on share. So when you click on share, you click on download. When you click on download, it will ask whether you are downloading as PNG or JPEG. I usually download as JPEG, so you click on download, it will download automatically. So that's how to download this, and make sure you give it a try out and let me know how you have been growing your Instagram. You can be posting 2 times in a day or 3 times in a week. Just schedule, you can schedule a post and all those stuff. I'm still going to drop some social media hints and link on how to grow your social media, how to grow your business on this particular channel. And make sure you subscribe. Or I see you guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching.